Hey you guys, welcome back. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas with your family, and today we're going to be sharing a Christmas vlog. On Saturday, I decided to take last minute holidays photos. It is the baby's first Christmas and I honestly wanted to capture this moment. So my bestie came over with her daughter and helped me out, and we turned in the living room into a little studio, and I am so happy I did this. It turned out so pretty. The pictures came out amazing. So I definitely suggest you do this going forward. I am going to be doing this as well. And it's just a way to, get some holidays pictures for your family. So I usually host Christmas Eve, and on Christmas Eve day, the family came over to help me out to set up for dinner. And honestly, you guys, I was looking forward to having this Christmas Eve dinner outside, but the weather just wasn't cooperating. It even rained, you guys. Like, you're gonna see this in a second. But we tried our best to work with what we have, and we definitely enjoyed it. So here we are, just cleaning up and giving the backyard a little pick me up just in time for the Christmas Eve celebration. It was so windy, you guys. The wind kept blowing all the things away, like the tablecloths, decorations, everything. It was just impossible to get this table ready for the evening. I was just about to give up on this day. My mom's husband was doing the pig, and after I set up outside, I went inside to start prepping everything. I wanted to do like on my kitchen island, like a little appetizer station slash dessert. So let's start with the drinks first. I'm making a sangria. I usually love making sangrias for any parties. I think it's a great drink, a signature drink, and easy to do. I also make coquito, which is like a version of Puerto Rican eggnog, but it's not really eggnog. I don't know. But you know what I mean. I'm just saying eggnog, so in case you don't know what coquito is, you get the deal. Chop some oranges, some lime, some strawberries, and I'm just gonna put this by the bar in case somebody wants to do some toppings to their sangria or pour some lime into their beer. I don't know. I just wanted to put something in there. And this is pretty much how the outside turned out. Honestly, you guys, you see it like that at peace, but after that little clip, everything was like blowing away. Like the candles were blowing away, everything was just flying away in the backyard. And here I am setting up my dessert slash appetizer area here on the kitchen island. This is the first time I do this, and honestly, you guys, I am loving it. I'm gonna be doing this going forward. It's turned out so pretty, and all of the guests were like, oh my god, this looks amazing, and it was just super cute. Here I am, just laying and playing with the way I want to display the items that I'm using to display the food. So yeah, and giving it a little pop of Christmas, adding like some berry stems, decorating a little bit. You guys, don't forget to check the description boxes. I will be linking a lot of the items that I use here to do like this little display for food, like the food stands and all of that good stuff. I will put it on the description box for you. A lot of the items came from Amazon. So then I ordered some Dominican appetizers like pastelitos, quipes. If you're Dominican, you already know. Si ustedes son dominicanos, ya saben, la picadera dominicana, pastelito, bollitos de yuca, y quipe y todas esas cosas. Then I decided to do this that I saw on TikTok, I think. It was like a Christmas tree charcuterie, and it turned out so pretty, and I wish I would have had the whole footage, but my camera died in between doing it. But look how cute it turned out, and everyone was like, oh my god, this is too cute. It was super, super cute. Made the display look so beautiful. I put here the appetizers, the charcuterie tree, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, a tres leche, some flan pies that I cut, and you guys, this turned out so pretty. And of course, the coquito is there and little cups so they could serve themselves. And here we are enjoying a Christmas dinner with the family. We dance a little bit and we also play some Christmas holiday inspired games. It was such a nice night. So on Christmas Day, we are pretty chilled. We wake up in the morning, we start making breakfast. Well, I start making breakfast, and I was doing a Christmas inspired breakfast board. So you're gonna guys get to see me doing that in this video. My little helper there, Jay, always wants to help out. So I made some scrambled eggs to go with my board, and that's what I'm doing there. I add milk into my scrambled eggs, and if you haven't, try it and thank me later. It just hits different. Then I'm adding some bacon here in the same pan after I made my eggs, and then I'm making some Christmas waffles. So after we're done having breakfast, we go ahead and start opening our gifts. And Jaden was just dying to open the gifts. He was so excited. He got a lot of clothes. I honestly didn't buy a lot of toys this year, but the little bit of toys that he got, he was excited for them because those are exactly what he wanted. And it just, makes me so happy. This is what Christmas is all about. It's not about the gifts. It's about spending the quality time and seeing your family and kids happy. And that's a wrap. Look at this too, taking a cute little nap. While I made some hot cocoa so we could watch some Christmas movies before we head out. We had plans to go to this park later on. I don't know what happened to the audio in this video, but technically I was telling you that we were ready to head out to the Christmas park, but it didn't happen because it was raining, so we just stayed at my mom's house after we dropped off their gifts.